Hello, everybody. This is Ralph back on another video. This one I'm talking about sales. What is sales? And a lot of people, they're afraid of sales, even though selling is one of the world's highest paid professions once you learn how to do it right. But a lot of people are scared. I don't want to use profanity, but a lot of people are very scared when it comes to trying to make sales. They think that sales is forcing people to buy their products. And that's not what sales is. In our last Home Business Academy mastermind meeting that I attended, our leader, Paul Hutchings, gave an excellent definition of what sales really is. It's not forcing people to buy, it's not belittling people and making them want to buy your stuff. What sales is, according to Paul Hutchings, it's the art of sharing value with somebody who really needs it. So, if you're talking to somebody and they share with you that they're having a problem, and you happen to think that you have a product or a service that you could provide to them that would help them solve their problem, then that is the art of selling. It's matching up the right products with the right people and just sharing value with them. It's not forcing them to buy your stuff. It's not trying to convince them to buy your stuff. It's just sharing value. And after you've shared the value, the offer of your product or service with the person you're talking to, they have the right to either say yes or no. And if they say no, respect that. Don't try to push. Nobody loves a pushy salesman or saleswoman. Nobody. I'm a salesperson. I don't even like pushy salespeople. If somebody tries to sell me something in a store, I'll turn around and walk out. Somebody catches me online wanting to convince me to buy their cryptocurrency scheme or whatever it is, and I say no and they don't respect that, I block them on social media. When people say no, respect them. Respect their right to say no and to disagree. And if people say yes, then fine, you've made a sale. But a lot of people think that when somebody says no, they've got to automatically think of a way to overcome that objection and force them to, reconsider and take another look. And that's not really what sales is. Not according to the definition that I just gave. It is the art of sharing value with people that you believe could use that value. And then you let them make the final decision. And in the beginning, a lot of people are going to not be very good salespeople. It's a skill that you have to learn. But after you've been doing it for a while, after you get comfortable talking to people and kind of being able to kind of getting a feel for what their situation is, what their needs are, and what their needs are not, then you can do a lot better job as a salesperson. We all have to start from somewhere, but don't let sales scare you. And for heaven's sake, don't think that you have to overcome every objection and force somebody to buy your product. That's not sales, that's assault, in my opinion. You just want to share value with the people out there, share value with the people that you think need it, and then offer to show them what you got if you think that they could use what you have. And if they say no, respect that, thank them for their time, walk away, change the conversation, and then maybe a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks later, maybe follow up with them again, see if their situation has changed, see if maybe they've had some second thoughts about the refusal to look at your product or service. But keep it friendly, keep it casual, keep it not pushy, because pushy salespeople, I don't see how they make sales because most people hate them. And I think you can be a lot better salesperson if you just focus on helping people out and sharing quality value with them. Okay, I hear somebody's trying to get a hold of me here. Going to wrap this video up. This is Ralph signing out. If you'd like to see what I do, you can find my affiliate link down below. I'm part of a home business academy that provides tools and trainings to beginning entrepreneurs, and we pay 80% recurring commissions. Check it out in the program description down below. Until later, this is Ralph signing out. Thanks for dropping by. We'll catch you in future updates, and have a good one. Bye-bye.